Kobi and Pip's Australian Adventure. In the sunny land of Australia, under a big eucalyptus tree, lived a bouncy kangaroo named Kobi and a cuddly koala named Pip. "Let's go on an adventure, Pip," chirped Kobi. "Let's see all the wonders of our home." Their first stop was a giant red rock that seemed to touch the sky. "Wow," whispered Pip. "This is Uluru. It changes colors when the sun says hello and goodbye." The rock glowed with the warm orange of the setting sun. Next, they hopped and scurried to the sparkling blue sea. They peeked into the water of the Great Barrier Reef. "Look at all the colors," Kobi exclaimed. Fish of every color of the rainbow swam around bright, beautiful coral. Their adventure took them to a big, busy city. There, they saw a building that looked like big white sails on the water. "That's the Sydney Opera House," said a friendly seagull flying by. "People sing beautiful songs inside." Deep in a rocky park, they found a special cave. Inside, ancient drawings covered the walls. "These paintings tell the stories of the first people of this land," Kobi said softly. They saw paintings of animals and people. They traveled north to a forest so old dinosaurs might have walked there. Giant ferns and twisty vines grew everywhere in the Daintree rainforest. A bright blue butterfly fluttered past Pip's nose. By the edge of the great ocean, they saw giant rocks standing tall in the waves. "They look like stone giants," Pip giggled. "They are the 12 apostles," Kobi explained, watching over the sea. In a quiet river, they saw a strange and wonderful creature. It had a bill like a duck and a tail like a beaver. "It's a platypus," whispered Kobi. The shy animal dove under the water with a little plop. They visited another city, famous for its little hidden streets called laneways. The walls were covered in amazing, colorful paintings and art. "This whole street is a picture book," said Pip, amazed. As the stars began to twinkle, Kobi and Pip returned to their eucalyptus tree, tired but happy. "Australia is full of so many beautiful places," yawned Pip. "It's the best home ever," agreed Kobi, and they both fell fast asleep,